Hey guys, this is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, and today we're going to be making cinnamon rolls on steroids, or cinnamon buns, whatever you want to call them. I came up with this concoction myself. I have a sweet tooth, and I just wanted to share it with all of you because I think it's a great dessert, okay? So here is the ingredients that we're going to be using, and at the end of the video, we're going to have a list of ingredients for you to keep it simple. So you won't get, be going back and wondering what the heck we're doing. 2 sleeves of cinnamon rolls. It could be the cheapest ones you can find, whatever suits you, it doesn't matter, because we're just gonna take that flavor and escalate it. Salt, whipping cream or heavy cream. You're gonna need a pint of that. You're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 stick of butter, and your non-stick spray for your pan, okay? Last night, we had some sushi. If you want to go over to my TikTok and check out the sushi that I had last night, forget about it. It was out of this freaking world. Had a couple of martinis. I got the little bags going under the eyes. I don't know, a little hangover maybe, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to get at it. Oven goes on 350 bake, okay? We're going to bake this dish for 1 hour, okay? Wrap real tight. I'm going to grab this pan here, and you're going to melt down 1 stick of butter. You know how your stove works, I don't need to tell you. Okay, melt down that stick of butter. We'll get that in there going nice. Okay, toss out the wrapper, get your other ingredients going here. Let's see, I need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, doesn't matter. As long as it's brown sugar, baby. 3/4 of a cup. Brown sugar is a little finicky sometimes. Let's see what that gives us. That's a little too much. Okay, we're gonna take some of this, throw it back in here. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna throw it out in a minute because there we go. Okay. All right, good enough. That's all right, we'll work on our diabetes, God forbid. Okay, so 3/4 of a cup of, that's still too much. No, it's not. All right, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Boom. We're gonna throw that over there. We're gonna take a teaspoon of salt. Actually, not a teaspoon of salt, I'm sorry. Pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Put a pinch. That is a pinch. Just a pinch. That's a pinch today. Okay, so theoretically, it comes out to be about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, okay? We're gonna take some of the teaspoon of cinnamon. I like cinnamon, so I'm gonna make it a heaping one, okay? Throw that in there, all right? We're gonna come over here, we're gonna check on the butter. That's melting down nicely, as you all can see. Melting down, okay? Now we are going to leave that there. When that is melted down, I'm gonna put the ingredients in there. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna spray our pan here. Actually, I'm gonna do this over the sink because if I get it on the floor, my wife will kill me. All right, here we go. That's all treated, so prepared for non-stick stuff. So the dough does not get stuck on the, these things always aggravate me. So the dough doesn't get stuck to the side of the pan. So we're gonna pop these babies open. Okay, throw those in there. Icing is important. Don't lose the icing. Don't lose the freaking icing, okay? Because don't lose it, okay? Take your cinnamon rolls, boom, pop them on there like this, okay? Leave a little bit of room in there, maybe. Well, this is actually a larger container that I'm used to using. But guys, I had to share this with you. It's just, man, these things are bananas. They're freaking amazing. So delicious. And it's comfort food, and I understand in New England, you guys are gonna have some weather coming soon, so, little something to warm you guys up, and Give you that homey, cozy feeling, right? I think I gotta check my butter. It's yelling at me over here. All right, relax. All right, butter's doing good, okay? I don't know what happened over here. We got some stuff going on. We'll throw this in there. So last night had that sushi. Oh my God, it was freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. I don't drink. Had a couple of martinis. And man, it's just so nice. Check it out on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. Go over there. Check out some videos I got posted. Instagram, YouTube. I got the live pizza video. We made pizza a few days ago, a couple days ago, or actually Friday night we made a pizza. We did it live and everybody loved it. We had a lot of viewers, a lot of questions, and it was really cool. I enjoyed it. Everybody was great. Everybody had some great questions and input and stuff, and it was pretty awesome. Really enjoyed doing it. Let me just wash off my hands. Okay. Those are the cinnamon rolls. So, guys, that's how it should look, okay? That's how your pan should look with your cinnamon rolls laid out in there. Okay. So, put all this ingredients right here, the goodness, boom, right in. Throw it in. Throw it in. Mix it up. Mix that up nice in there. So, just it's all gonna melt and solidify. Here's that word, solidify. So we got this going over here. Okay. Now, very important process here. You ready? Actually, let's get this mixed up a little bit more. That's what it's gonna look like when it gets all mixed up. Okay. So we're gonna let that sit for a second. This is a crucial step right here, critical. Take your heavy cream. What are we gonna do? We're gonna throw it in. Throw it in, cover everything, okay? Throw it in, use the whole thing. Don't worry about it, it'll absorb. Nice. You're saying, Luigi, what are you doing over there? Don't worry about what I'm doing. You're gonna soon find out. And don't eat the whole tray. Don't eat the whole tray by yourselves, all right? Just don't. Share some with somebody else. You really don't need the whole tray. You'll be bouncing off the walls like I always am, okay? So, all right, we're gonna mix this up nice. Actually, you know what? Throw it on here just to get it melted a little bit more. I didn't melt down the butter all the way. I just tried to speed it up for you guys. All right. Okay, that's good. Good. Take it, pour it in there. Make sure you get the goodness over your cinnamon rolls. Okay. Oh man, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. These, don't lose them. Hang on to them. These go on last. Okay. Now, the other step of the process is we are going to wrap this up. Very important. Wrap it up very tightly. Okay. Because this has to stay in the oven for 1 hour, and we don't want the moisture escaping. We want it absorbing into the rolls. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay, 1 hour. What are we gonna do? Throw it in! We're throwing it in! Okay. Here we go. Throw it in. 1 hour, 350 bake. 1 hour, when they come out, they're gonna be gorgeous. Okay, guys, so we're gonna come over here to the stove. I believe these delicious Cinnabuns are done. Okay? I know they're done. They gotta be done. So we had it at 350 bake for 1 hour. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Boom, turn that off. Now, I put these on top of the stove rather to, soften them up because they were cold, and so when you cut the the tips off, they'll squirt over the Cinnabons nice and easy. So, be prepared. I'm sure these things have just like become monsters. Okay. Like I said, this is one of my favorite dishes for dessert. It's just, and they're unbelievable. My wife's in for a treat today. I'm gonna be wired in about 10 minutes after I eat these things. Forget about it. I'll be all over the place. I'm already all over the place. Okay, guys, I'm trying not to burn myself over here. Okay, you ready? Ow. Whoops. Oh, look at that steam pouring off. Let me look. Oh my word. I can't show you. I can't show you. I'm not gonna show you. I'm just gonna eat it. Here we go. Look at those. Look how much they swelled up from the time we put them in there. They're still bubbling here. Look at that goodness. Just boom. Look at it. Panning on that. Unbelievable. 1 hour. Chef Luigi treats you right. Don't tell nobody this secret. This is a secret recipe. It's mine. Don't try to steal it. You can use it, but don't go giving it away. I'm just teasing you. Okay. So we're going to take the frosting, cut the ends off. All right. The scissors got to go. Let's say mirror. Okay. We're going to put this on here. What? Look at this. Oh my gosh. My mouth is watering over here. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my God, look at it. Get it all out. We don't want to miss any. This is really bad. Okay. How about this one? I'll try not to cut my hand off. It says all the time. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at it. It just melts right in there. Look at it. We're gonna go the opposite direction this time. Look at that. Oh my God. Let's get them on the ends where nobody get cheated. I didn't get enough frosting. You got enough. Shut up. There's enough sugar in here for the freaking whole block. No, good stuff though. Good dessert. You don't want to make it all the time, but oh my gosh. Oh my word. And that is the Chef Luigi secret on how to make Cinnabons on steroids. Okay, let's come over here. Oh man, I probably should have went to the other side, huh? That's a little hot. Okay, it's all right. Oh, look at these things. Look at them, they're like floating. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Oh my God, look at that juice. Oh, these came out extra juicy. Look at that. Oh my word. Look at that. I'm gonna steal some of that juice. I have to. Let's taste it. My God. You gotta be kidding me. But when they cool off, that juice will get absorbed back into the biscuits. Okay? Or into the buns. Okay? Here it goes. The big reveal. I've had these before, so I know they're out of this world. I just cannot explain the flavor on these things. They're just simply out of this world. This is Chef Luigi saying, make some dessert for your family because is it homemade? I don't know. It's kind of homemade, right? Oh, I was going to tilt that up and show you and do my Chef Luigi. Forget it. I can't. It's too freaking hot. Forget about it. I can't do it. Make these for your family. Enjoy. Eat. This is Luigi saying, enjoy good food. Enjoy the love in your friends and your family. And salud and stuck the bone, my paisans.